Imagine a life where money is no longer a worry. Picture waking up every morning knowing that your income is growing, even while you sleep. This is the power of financial independence, a dream that burns brightly within many of us. It's about having the freedom to choose how you spend your time, pursue your passions, and live life on your terms. But achieving financial independence can feel like an uphill battle, especially in today's economy. Traditional jobs often trap us in a cycle of trading time for money, leaving little room for growth and true freedom. We work tirelessly, yet the dream of financial security seems perpetually out of reach. What if there was a different path, a way to break free from the shackles of financial dependence and achieve the life you've always envisioned? The answer lies in the transformative power of passive income. The traditional 9-to-5 workday is a relic of the past. It's a system designed to keep you trading your precious time for a limited income. You're stuck in a cycle, working for someone else's dream, with little control over your financial future. But what if you could escape this grind? Imagine a life where your income isn't tied to the number of hours you work. Imagine the possibilities if money flowed into your account consistently, regardless of whether you were working, vacationing, or simply enjoying time with loved ones. This is the promise of passive income, the ability to earn money while you sleep, travel, or pursue your passions. It's about creating a system where your money works for you, instead of the other way around. Passive income isn't about getting rich quick. It's about building sustainable wealth over time. It's about creating multiple streams of income that flow consistently, regardless of your direct involvement. There are countless ways to generate passive income, from investing in dividend-paying stocks and real estate, to building online businesses and creating digital products. The key is to identify opportunities that align with your interests, skills, and resources. Some popular passive income streams include dividend investing. Invest in established companies that pay out a portion of their profits to shareholders. Real estate. Generate rental income from properties you own. Affiliate marketing. Promote other people's products and earn a commission on each sale. Online courses and digital products. Create and sell valuable information products online. In today's digital age, the internet offers unprecedented opportunities to build passive income streams through online businesses. With minimal overhead and global reach, online businesses can generate substantial income with the right approach. One of the most lucrative online business models is affiliate marketing. As an affiliate marketer, you partner with businesses and promote their products or services to your audience. You earn a commission for every sale made through your unique referral link. The beauty of affiliate marketing lies in its simplicity and scalability. You don't need to create your products, manage inventory, or handle customer service. Your primary focus is on driving targeted traffic to your affiliate offers and converting them into paying customers. Section 5. Glenn Kosky, a beacon in the digital age. Navigating the world of online business and passive income can feel overwhelming, especially for beginners. That's where Glenn Kosky comes in, a renowned digital entrepreneur and 8-figure earner who has helped over 23,000 people worldwide achieve financial freedom through his proven system. Glenn's journey is a testament to the power of perseverance, innovation, and a deep understanding of the online business landscape. He's cracked the code to generating substantial passive income, and now he's sharing his secrets with the world. Through his innovative Millionaire Partner System, Glenn provides a clear roadmap for anyone looking to escape the rat race and build a life of financial abundance. Section 6. Unlocking the Millionaire Partner System. The Millionaire Partner System, or MPS, is a comprehensive, step-by-step program designed to empower aspiring entrepreneurs to build profitable online businesses and generate passive income streams. This isn't some get-rich-quick scheme. It's a proven system backed by years of experience and thousands of success stories. Glenn provides you with all the tools, resources, and support you need to succeed, even if you're starting from scratch. The MPS program includes 12 weeks of expert coaching, where you receive personalized guidance and support from Glenn and his team of experienced coaches. You'll also gain access to the MPS Super Funnel, a proven sales funnel that converts leads into paying customers on autopilot. Plus, you'll leverage cutting-edge tools and software to automate your business and maximize your results. Section 7. AI, your secret weapon to wealth. In today's rapidly evolving digital landscape, artificial intelligence, or AI, is transforming the way we live, work, and generate income. Glenn understands the power of AI and has integrated it seamlessly into the Millionaire Partner System. Through AI-powered tools and strategies, you can automate tasks, personalize your marketing efforts, and scale your business exponentially. Imagine generating $1,000 or more per day on complete autopilot, all thanks to the power of AI. With the MPS, you don't need to be a tech wizard to harness the power of AI. Glenn provides you with everything you need to leverage this game-changing technology and achieve extraordinary results. Section 8. Join the movement, thousands are already winning. The Millionaire Partner System isn't just a program, it's a thriving community of like-minded individuals who are committed to achieving financial freedom together. Join a supportive network of over 23,000 individuals who are already experiencing the life-changing benefits of the MPS. Learn from their successes, share your challenges, and celebrate each other's wins. Don't just take our word for it. Hear it from the countless individuals who have transformed their lives through the Millionaire Partner System. Their inspiring stories are a testament to the power of this program and the incredible results it can deliver. Section 9. Your journey to financial independence begins now. You don't have to be stuck in the endless cycle of trading time for money. The path to financial independence is within your reach, and the Millionaire Partner System is your key to unlocking it. Join Glenn Kosky for a free webinar where he'll reveal the exact strategies he used to build a multi-million-dollar online empire. Discover how you can generate $1,000 or more per day on autopilot, even if you have no prior experience. Don't let this opportunity pass you by. Your journey to financial freedom starts now. Click the link in the description to register for the free webinar and take the first step towards a brighter financial future.